Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Consumer Cellular, which is a mobile carrier that is known for its affordable plans, great customer service, and nationwide coverage. But before we begin, make sure you check out the link in the description to explore Consumer Cellular's plans and see if it is right fit for you. So, Cellular is a budget-friendly mobile carrier that operates on AT&T and T-Mobile networks, providing reliable coverage across United States. It is especially popular for seniors and light data users, offering no contract plans and flexible options. If I talk about the pros, so it provides you the affordable plans which are flexible with no hidden fees. It will also provide you the strong network coverage because it uses AT&T and T-Mobile networks for the nationwide service. There is no contracts, so you can cancel and change your plan anytime, and you will get the AARP discounts, so special savings for AARP members, which is excellent. The customer support is also very excellent. It is high rated for its friendly and helpful service. The only cons that I found with Consumer Cellular are that it is not ideal for heavy data users. So the plans have lower data limits as compared to the big carriers, and it will also have limited perks because there is no free streaming services or any international roaming like premium carrier offers. So if you need a low cost reliable mobile plan with great customer support, Consumer Cellulars is an excellent choice. It's perfect for seniors, casual users, and anyone who is looking to save on their phone bill without sacrificing coverage. So if you want to check out their plans, you can just use the link in the description to explore Consumer Cellular today. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.